as long as if the material is conductive, right, with electricity, we could cut it just like butter.
Welcome back to MTD CNC, my friends. I'm with my buddy Kaz today, and one of the privileges I get to learn about on a regular basis through Sodick, because they're a leader, is EDM. And specifically in this video, we're going to talk about wire EDM. But as you guys always know, and I don't like to steal people's thunder, I bring the experts with me. The experts are not me by any chance, but I have Kaz with me. So Kaz, let's talk about the overview first of all for someone who might be watching right now, wanting to learn about why they might want to get into EDM, before we get into the differences in how your EDM is so successful and globally known. Why would someone originally want to get into EDM?
EDM, there's so many benefits, but one of the main benefits is it can cut very, very hard materials, okay? Because as long as if the material is conductive, right, with electricity, we can cut it just like butter. And on top of that, precision, precision, precision. With our highest grade machine, we get 1 micron precision. And on top of that, surface finish, I mean, we could get 5 microns, 4 microns. With our AP machine, we could get even less than that.
Coming from a machining side, Kaz, I've broken a lot of end mills on hard material. I've had to go really slow when I didn't have the RPM with small diameter. So you're definitely talking about the precision, the accuracy, the finish, and something else just real quick is that you're able to kind of run a bunch of them at the same time and kind of, we call it set it and forget it, but there's more to it than that. Yeah. But you come back a while later and you have those parts finished with either 0 operator time, or you can go do something else at the same time, right? This is the general overview.
Exactly. You can set up 30 parts more of your mold. You can keep it going for, you know, X amount of hours, and you can come back next day or week or so, and then it'll be done. It'll be done.
So let's talk more specifically about your unique and substantial benefits. I believe it's something called iGroove technology. Would you mind explaining what iGroove technology is?
So our new wire EDM, our new product in general, is our iGroove machines for our wire EDM. So there's 3 main differences between our previous generation wire machines and this generation iGroove. It's our new standard, basically. We got our supply tank, whole different redesign. So we got it for automation reasons. That's why it's very open in the very beginning. And then our step cut technology for customers who's looking for, you know, cutting different height materials. You're not going to be cutting flat materials the whole time, right? You're going to cut, you know, staircases and different height materials. In those type of cases, you're going to need step cut. And that is new and improved. We could do 200 millimeters instead of 80 millimeters, for example, and you can do 100 millimeters in carbide. And on top of that, the main important one is our rotation of the wire.
Okay, well, if that's the main important thing, elaborate on that a little bit more, because I was actually curious about cutting carbide, but now you said the main important one, so let's get into that first.
So this is a patented technology that no other machine can do. So for our iGroove machines, we rotate the wire 190 degrees for 10th wire, 310 degrees, excuse me, for 8th wire. And the reason why we're doing that is because we're using a different sheet of metal, different plane of the wire, so that we could slow down that wire speed. So we're talking about a 30% wire consumption reduction. Who doesn't want to, reduce 30% in wire, right? That's the main one. 2 is going to be geometric accuracy. You're going to get better surface finish. So it's 3 things, you know, 3 benefits that you get from this rotating of the wire that no other machine can do.
It is fascinating. I'm not going to lie. When I learn about this type of technology, sometimes you'll see me in my eyes take a pause and go, this is really happening. And your passion, I can tell, is great. Having a young guy like you on camera with MTD to share these stories. Now, I believe you have something like a 10-year guarantee as well. Would you like to talk about that?
So one of our core technology, right? Obviously, we have rigid linear motors. We have our patented design for that. We use magnets where, you know, some other machines might use ball screw. So we have magnets on top of that. So the reason why we have magnets is because there's no friction, no wear on it. So we could offer that 10-year positioning guarantee. So from the first year all the way to the 10th year, we guarantee that positioning's not going to change. So it's going to be, you know, just like it's new when you first get the machine.
Kaz, you know, we started this conversation out with what can an EDM machine do? We talked about hardness and material precision. We then emphasized some of the unique and amazing attributes that only Sodick can offer in some situations, right? So let's go ahead and close this whole thing out with what industries can a wire EDM be utilized?
Our main customers are mold and die. However, we have a lot of different, presence in different industries. For example, medical, aerospace, electronics, some automotive, obviously. EVs are doing very well. I mean, we're in a lot of different industries to touch upon.
Yeah, well, for all of you watching here today, I hope this has inspired you to do a bit more research with Sodick to see how these machines might be able to benefit you. You've also maybe just met a person who has more energy than I do, which is tough to find. So Kaz, thank you for that inspiration.
Thank you, Tony.
It's definitely helping me feel more motivated as well. And thank you all for watching another episode of MTD. I look forward to bringing you more about Sodick and their incredible technology.
Thank you very much.